Have you ever been curious about the 2-ingredient yogurt cheesecake from Japan? Ever thought, that's not cheesecake, it'll be a huge disappointment, why bother trying it? Well, I will try it for the both of us and give you my thoughts. I won't hold back. If it's bad, I'll tell you to steer clear, but if it's good, I'll tell you that it's a winner. Stay tuned and find out. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk 1½ cups of plain Greek yogurt, and if you want to, add 2 tablespoons of room temperature cream cheese. Mix this until it is completely smooth and creamy. When it is smooth, you can add any sweetener or flavoring you want. If you do decide to add flavorings, you could add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of honey, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of jam. I am adding a couple spoonfuls of passion fruit jam, which was a gift from my coworker. Thank you! In 3 or 4 dessert cups, pour the cheesecake mixture evenly between them. I realized that I didn't have enough for 4 good-sized cups, so I scooped out the 4th and added it to the others. Now, let's add in some cookies. You can use whatever cookies you like. I am using some Biscoff cookies. Arrange your favorite cookies in your dessert cups, leaving a bit of space between each cookie. Make sure you press your cookies firmly into the yogurt. Place your dessert cups on a tray, and place that tray in the fridge to chill for about 6 hours or until it's firm. While the cheesecake is setting up, please take a moment to hit the like button and consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. I'd really appreciate it. When your cheesecake is set, remove it from the fridge and top it with some additional toppings if you'd like. These toppings can include honey, jam, cocoa powder, fresh fruit, or crushed cookies. I am going to put a little more passion fruit jam on my dessert cups. Let's give it a taste. Even though I thought my cream cheese was a little lumpy, I can't taste the lumps at all. Everything has blended well and come out really smooth. Even though the main ingredient was Greek yogurt, this really does taste like cheesecake. The passion fruit jam is subtle and adds an extra dimension to this yogurt cheesecake. The Biscoff cookies provide a different texture. They are no longer crunchy or hard, but are a sweet addition that makes this more of a cheesecake and less of a pudding. I honestly couldn't stop eating this, and I meant to end the video earlier, but it was super enjoyable. I can't express how much of a win this recipe is. I already want to make more of these cheesecake cups for the week. I hope you decide to make this in your kitchen. Let me know how you customized your cheesecake. If you like this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. See you in the kitchen for more of my cooking adventures.